Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a desktop shortcut for google.com using Chrome browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome launches, navigate to google.com by typing it into the address bar at the top of your screen and pressing enter. This ensures you're creating a shortcut to the exact page you want quick access to from your desktop. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see three vertical dots there, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various browser options and features. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Cast, Save and Share. When you hover over it, a secondary menu will expand to the side, showing you additional options related to sharing and saving content. This submenu contains several useful features for managing your browsing experience. In this expanded submenu, look for and click on Create Shortcut. This is the key feature that allows you to place a direct link to any website right on your desktop, giving you instant access without having to open Chrome and type the URL every time. A small pop-up window will now appear on your screen. Here you have the option to customize the name of your shortcut. You can either input a custom name that makes sense to you, like Google Search or Homepage, or you can simply leave the default name that Chrome suggests. Choose whatever works best for your organizational system. Once you've decided on a name, click the Create button at the bottom of the pop-up window. Chrome will now generate the shortcut and place it directly on your desktop where you can easily access it whenever you need. And that's it. You've successfully created a desktop shortcut for google.com, giving you one-click access to Google's homepage right from your desktop. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.